The next announcement of the day is about the Oppo Watch. Oppo has announced it will launch the Watch 3 series in August. There is no date, but now, as per Digital Chat Station, Oppo Watch 3 will be launched on August 10th. Do they want to get the limelight away from Samsung? No idea. It is rumored to come in 3 models, and one of them will be powered by the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 SoC. Since Oppo has already confirmed this many times, an image of Oppo Watch 3 and Pro has already been surfaced. Oppo has not given any details about the Watch 3, but rumored specs include high body to screen ratio, LTPO display, Apollo 4 Plus dual chip, and a standard ECG. Should come in 4 colors, that is black, silver, grey and light gold. Can't wait for it. Along with the Mobile Watch and the Samsung Watch, it seems to be a good time for Wear OS. Hope so they can challenge Apple and beat Apple at the game. Okay, like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.